Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 2000 amp 0 to 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Take a look at the inside here. The unit is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is wired for 240 volt, does have digital controls here with timer, ramp controls, digital amp hour meter, programmable setup, etc. And we'll come around here, take a look at the rest of it. 32 inches long by 25 inches wide by 44 inches high. Weighs roughly 700 pounds. And we'll come back here, start it up for you. Go back to the home screen and we'll start it up. And wait a couple seconds for the ramp to go, and then it'll start ramping up for you. Take a look at the O-scope wave here, very subtle. Very quiet unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.